here's our next project we're getting started on, the Hurricane Sally damaged dock. Going to go ahead and get all the poles out. Poles are pretty much rotten anyway. They got holes all the way through them, so we tear the poles out and put new poles in and rebuild this one, custom style. Look at that, guys. Good hard day work, actually half a day work. Got the poles out. Some of the ones I set before I had a vibratory barge were in the ground 12 and 15 foot. We just jetted them things and got them all out. Done a little pilings and a little miscellaneous lumber headed to the reclaim yard. Got the barge secure, got our material package on the barge, all the old pilings hauled off. We're headed to the reclaim center. Got the material on here. We'll be ready to get started on this project tomorrow morning. Get all the poles set and start framing up. Good progress today. Got all the poles set. Dock, platform. Quick coming back up. Then we're going to get started and set some scaffolding up because we got about 6 foot of water out there. Start framing the baby up. Found out that the lift poles are rotten. We did a little test on them, so we'll be taking this lift off, changing out all 4 of the lift poles, moving it back just a little bit so we can get a larger boat in there. It's got a 28 footer in there now, so if we move it back to the end of these catwalks, it'll make it a little bit easier to get a larger boat in later. Hey guys, hope you can hear me okay. Got a pretty windy day here today, but we got this project finished up. Got the old dock tore out, all the old pilings taken out, even had to replace the old boat lift pilings, which I mentioned earlier in the video, but to get some more close-up shots of it, let you check it out. Thanks for following the video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please give me a subscribe, give me a thumbs up. If you got any comments, leave them here. Don't do the emailing because I really have a hard time getting back with emails. I get quite a few emails and just a lot easier for me to comment on YouTube. That's where I get more interaction and it helps me with my YouTube channel by reacting there opposed to email. Thanks. Real nice set of stairs with a grass rail. We went ahead and went with 5 and I think it was 13/16 treads, so that it's a little bit easier to walk down. So older couple, so we'll be able to make it up and down the stairs a little bit easier without falling down. Like I said, also pulled up the grab rail on the side. Did a lower swim platform right here too, which is really nice. We're getting on off paddle boards or kayaks. Lower members are salt treated lumber that's in the water, so you got to worry about deterioration there. Got a dock on the back side of it for getting in the water also. Nice through flow decking, which is great stuff. We had very good success out of this with Hurricane Sally. Water shoots up through it, doesn't tear the dock up, and everything stays in place. The only problems you might have with it is other docks getting into it or boats getting into it. We build ours pretty strong. We try to build them to withstand that stuff. Still waiting on an electrician to get over here to do the final work, rewiring the boat lift and get it connected up. Over here we got a little lower step down, so when you come up and moor during a low tide operation, you can get in and out of the boat nice and easy. Extended the pilings up for bumpers. It's a job I did over here several years ago. Still holding up really good. Got a nice little boat sitting out front. Yacht. Alright guys, thanks a lot. Appreciate you watching the video. Give me a subscribe, thumbs up. If you like it, I got plenty more coming up. Working on another tear down right now, 2 old boathouses. Going to be rebuilding that to a single boathouse with a nice lift in it, back up in the bayou.